Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to make a game called Bat and Ball Game. So first we need a bat. So click on this kitty cat here and type pad. Click on this. Okay, then we need a ball. This looks cool. Okay, so now we can choose a backdrop. I can choose any of it. Let's choose neon tunnel. Okay, so go to your paddle script and now grab a one green flag this click. Then go to motions and set Y to, let's say, minus 150. And now go to control, and then grab a forever loop and put it in this. Okay, so go to motions and then set X to, then go to sensing and grab a mouse X, then put it in the right side. Okay, now go to control, grab a if then, and then go to sensing and if then touching ball. Then we want it to broadcast bounce. Now new message, and let's call this bounce. Okay, now let's create a score. Score. And keep this for all sprites. And now set score to 0 and then put this in the forever loop and then grab change score by 1 inside. Okay, now let's go to the ball script and we grab a when clicked. Go to 0 and 0. It goes to 0 and 0. It's in the middle. Okay. Then we want it in the motions. We want it point towards paddle. And now go to control and grab a repeat until block. And then go to operators and grab this one. And then go to motion and grab a Y position. Then put it here, minus 150. Okay. Now go to motions and grab move 10 steps, but we'll change this to 5. And if on edge, then we want it to bounce. Then when I receive bounce, go to motion, then set Y to minus 120 and point, and go to motion and point in direction. Then go to operators, grab a minus and put 180 in the left side. And go to motion, go down and grab a direction in the right side. Now we need a game over screen. So how do we do it? So beneath this script, we go to events and broadcast game over. Now we make a game over screen. So we make it put it in the center. Okay, now let's make it game over. Okay, then go to one click. Now first of all we need to hide it. Now go to when I receive game over, then we want this to show, and we want this to go to front layer. And let's try repeat 50. Change color effect by, let's say, 10, and wait 0.05 seconds. Then let's stop all. Now let's try it. It's cool. Okay, now. Ta-da! Now let's see what we can do next. To improve, we need sound effects. So go to sound and go to paddle script. Now choose a sound. Yep. Let's choose this basketball bounce. Go to code and start sound basketball bounce right after the broadcast bounce. Okay. So in the game over script, we also want some. Okay. So let's choose a sound and let's choose. Okay. And now let's start sound. Okay. Now let's try it. Is change score by 1 when I bounce? And when I leave it? Ta-da! Our progress is done. And you can add more features to it. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. And if you're done with this tutorial, leave a comment which tutorial you want next. Anyways, bye.